Welcome to the Professional Prompt, where we review your favorite products.
Hey there! Today I'm excited to talk about a really interesting book called Vibe Coding for Beginners. If you've ever wanted to create apps or websites but felt overwhelmed by coding, this book might just be what you need. So here's the deal. This book walks you through how to use vibe coding tools like ChatGPT and others to build some amazing tech without writing a single line of code. Imagine that. It features 50 tutorials designed specifically for beginners, making it super approachable. You'll learn the fundamentals of coding with AI, which is such a hot topic right now. Right now, it's priced at just $14, which I think is a steal considering the value it offers. Plus, it's got a perfect 5-star rating, although I noticed there aren't many reviews yet. Maybe it's still new on the scene. Still, a 5-star rating is definitely something to note. During this review, I'll also be showing you some images of the book so you can get a feel for what to expect. The format options are pretty flexible too. You can grab it as a paperback, an ebook, or even a hardback if that's your style. Honestly, if you're looking to dive into tech and want to do it in a fun, engaging way without feeling lost in complex code, I'd recommend checking this out. It seems like a great starting point for anyone curious about the world of AI and app development. So, if you're interested, don't forget to like and share and click the link in the description to purchase.